Greetings, Dennis Daniels here. Let's do a quick demonstration of how to put text onto images using Python, and specifically using Google Colab. First thing I need to do is install Pillow. Here's the code. All of this code will be shared with you at the end. Big thanks to this guy who gave me the code for the fonts, which was a problem. And here is another link that I used for figuring this out. And of course, using the fonts themselves. Use wget to download them and then unzipped them, and you can see them over here. Now, when you run this Colab document, you'll have to do all of this, because obviously when I shut down this notebook, all things will be deleted except for the commands. Now let's take a look at, so the next step is to from Pill import the image, the font, and the draw. And in this case, this should be code, not text. I don't know why that is. Control MB. I'm gonna delete that. Oh, Control Z, Control Z, Control Z. Okay. Control MZ. Haha, that was close. Copy that. And now let's go here. Image open. In this case, content is this one. So I'm going to copy the path. Make sure you preserve those apostrophes. And now the content is ready to go. Enter. And now, just for a sanity check, I'm going to run that the font does work, because I figured out that it doesn't always work. So let's go ahead and just put in a different font just for giggles to show you how easy it is. Make sure you include your apostrophes. And Control Enter to run. And you can see I've got this fancy new extra bold italic font, which is working. Yay. Now, actually, this code came straight from this gentleman here. All right, now moving on. I'm going to use this. I'm going to use actually the other font. And let's say Science Rocks. All right. Now let's bump the font size up. This is I'll say 120 just for fun. Science Rocks, and run that, run that, run that, run that. And this font color is ugly, but I'm not going to mess with it. The location, this is 5.5. So the location on the image from top left corner is 0, 0. So this will put it close to the top left. Again, this font color is ugly, but I'm not going to mess with it. And I'm going to give this save that. And so far we've had no errors, which is good, and why we use Colab. Now I'm going to save image, new image, and it should go down. Actually, new JPEG right there. Let's see if it works. Double click, and it looks like it worked. All right, so let me see if I can open the image in a new tab, and there it is. So thank you for your time, and I will post the code or the link to this in my video description. Thank you very much, and happy computing.